Dear manifestors, have you ever wondered how close you are to achieving your financial goals? And what are the ultimate signs for money manifestation? We are going to discuss the ultimate signs that money is on your way. Number 1, you dream about money. Dreams are a glimpse into the manifestations of your waking life. So if you see money in your dreams, and especially if you see winning the lottery in your dreams, then it's a huge sign that there's going to be a windfall or a big opportunity that is going to make you a lot of money. So let the universe know what you want by commenting down below, "I am manifesting my desire for," and then state your desire for the exact sum of money you want today. Thank you, universe. And then pay attention and be alert, keep dreaming, and keep manifesting. Number 2, waking up feeling gratitude. This is a huge one, and not only manifesting money, but everything else positive in your life. So if you wake up in the morning and your heart is smiling with joy and appreciation for life, then you can definitely expect abundance coming your way with ease. Appreciation and gratitude are two very high vibrating frequencies, and if you spend most of the time feeling those positive emotions, then all your dreams are obviously going to come true and you will be invincible. Number 3, passion for whatever you do. This is an obvious one. And if you have ignited passion in your heart and intense love for something, you're going to end up manifesting it. And if you feel like you enjoy every moment of it and that you feel very satisfied with your occupation, then you, no matter what, will be blessed with abundance and prosperity. Number 4, universal alignment. If you haven't noticed yet, then let me remind you. The universe is always on your side, helping you get what you want, and is always trying to get your attention. It speaks to you through numbers and certain events that could appear to you as a coincidence or deja vu. It's nothing but the universe making its presence known to you. So how do you know if it's showing you the signs of money manifestations? Amongst other myriad of signs, a very promising money manifestation sign is the number 8, or infinity. The more 8s you see, the more money, or the closer you are to getting more money and your wishes fulfilled. So hang in there and keep an eye out for these signs. Also, if you see certain numbers like 111 or 222, 333, and so on, whenever you're thinking about your desires, that means you're on the right path. For further information on those numbers though, I would Google them and find out in-depth meanings. Number 5, finding coins randomly. Please do not ignore this. When you find pennies on the ground, the universe is trying to get your attention and letting you know that money and your desires are soon to be manifested. So pick up the penny and give thanks for it immediately. This also ties into what I said earlier. Money comes into your life in different forms, and one of them is getting discounts, sales, or random help. Whenever you do end up getting any of these, say thanks so you get more of the discounts in your near future. Comment down below, "I appreciate all the sales and discounts I have been offered in my life, and I would like more of them in my future." Number 6, seeing elephants. You must be wondering, why elephants? Well, in Indian mythology, there is a half elephant, half human god named Ganesh or Ganpati. He stands for prosperity, intelligence, success, and luck. A lot of Indians adore him and worship him for making their dreams come true, for his positive, jovial energy. So if you are randomly seeing images of elephants around you, then you must know that you are in luck and that prosperity for you is around the corner. On a side note, Lakshmi is an Indian goddess and represents wealth as well. Indian families have goddess Lakshmi's idol next to Ganesh's idol in their altar in order to welcome wealth into their lives. Number 7, the Empress. The Empress is the 3rd major arcana in the tarot cards. This represents fertility and abundance. And some of the tarot decks paint her as a pregnant lady. So if you're noticing a lot of pregnant women around you, or you know someone who personally is pregnant, or you are pregnant, then this is a big sign that prosperity is in the cards for you. Those are 7 ultimate signs that money is coming your way. If you have seen any of these signs, then share your experience, and if you notice anything else, then share that too in the comment section below. Or if you think this video can help someone else, then share it with them. Have a blessed day.